focus on customer validation, right? More than raising funding or anything else. It will help you raise funds, but focus on customer validation. This will not only provide the required comfort, and it will obviously provide revenues to you and your business, but it will also provide comfort to the VC. And you will have a very tangible framework to kind of come up with things like valuation and competitive advantages and all of that, because you have been validated by the customer. I have seen that often when there are many other arguments getting thrown at you, this is one thing that sticks. Is that if the customer has trusted you and n number of customers have trusted you and you work and it's worked out well for them, then that should in some sense end all other arguments. Coming to the current scenario, indeed it's extremely difficult. This is not something which was foreseen for any of the any of the business models would not have foreseen something like this, right? When none of the customers, the consumption has dipped, and both on the demand side and on the supply side there is a problem. So really the advice right now and is that everybody's only thinking of conserving cash right now. Not too many new deals or new fundings are happening. It's also difficult times in for everyone in general. So my suggestion would be, if the business is able to convert their business model in a way that they can be, or they can provide more of their businesses online, or they can come up with a model in which for the next few months they're completely online, which by now I'm sure everyone has thought about that. That's important to survive through this period. The clouds will clear and the markets will open up. But until such a time, if you are an entirely offline business, you may think of some online model through which you can sort of pivot or create a new angle in which you can keep your revenues coming in, and keep consumption coming in from your customers. So that's important. It will be a fix, but a short term fix, but it has to be done.